Hello traders. Today is the 1st of December, Tuesday 2020, and today was the first trading day of the month. We had amazing volatility and amazing profit and amazing pips. All right, so let me show you one of my traders live account. As you can see in this live account, he generated, let me select today. Let's see. Wow, amazing. So you can see he generated 7,155 today and a beautiful profit and beautiful pips today. All right, so all these trades are 100% based on the analysis which we broadcast in our online trading platform. Let's back to the analysis and I'll show you all the amazing analysis today. Beautiful pips. So just recap as always, these are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis with the live audio commentary support. As you can see on the left hand side is the analysis, the right side is the trade taken based on that analysis. On pound dollar, as you can see that we were explaining that look for the pullback, as mentioned, that if the price is going to respect this orange EMA, then we should be taking a pullback. As you can see, based on the momentum, we had another very small long trade this morning on pound dollar. All right, I'm just going to be doing quickly because we have plenty of analysis today. Have amazing volatility. Another pullback long trade based on the momentum. Pound Swiss franc again based on the momentum, pullback long. And this one, when the price developed head and shoulder pattern, you can see it. So this was the counter short trade. Uh, exactly, but we mentioned all this analysis just to make sure that the trader can take a valid technical entry. Beautiful breakout, and as always, first target 200 EMA. Beautiful breakout short trade on pound yen. Dollar CAD, pretty straightforward based on the 4-hour. We mentioned look for the counter long trade, and beautiful. Let me show you the 4-hour just to let you know. 4-hour charts, you can see here. We at that time the price was at this level. You can see beautiful candle rejection, beautiful counter long trade and bank some profit. You can see here counter long trade as soon as the price hit. Beautiful. Later on we had also short trade, but this was the counter long trade based on the 4-hour. That's what I explained to you guys. We're watching in 4-hour and we define our entry and exit and intraday system. All right, so dollar CAD, pretty straightforward breakout short trade. Pound Swiss franc, this was again based on the 4-hour. We have this pullback, bank some profit. If you look at the price develop another head and shoulder pattern. Exactly. And we were also watching in 4-hour. Let me show you the 4-hour candle. Where was the price at that time? The price was exactly at this level, which is you can see here, resistance level, Bollinger Band. And we also mentioned as soon as the price reverse, develop a head and shoulder pattern in intraday. We take a short trade and bank beautiful pips. You can see here, and we explain to trader all pullbacks. You can see here all the pullbacks. Beautiful short trade. Euro pound, as we explained, you can see here the first priority would be pullback, but you see we haven't seen any pullback. Price broken. As I always mention, look for the safest trade. My traders mention here breakout and pullback. You can see here breakout and pullback as mentioned on the analysis. Beautiful. And nicely hit first profit target. Dollar Swiss franc, pretty straightforward breakout. We're expecting a pullback. As you can see, the price refused to break orange EMA. Breakout short trade. Dollar yen breakout long trade. Euro yen. We had such an amazing, beautiful long rally today on Euro yen. Again, we mentioned traders to look for this breakout. And based on that, you can see the price developed a double topple and said if the price is going to break the previous high or previous low, we should be taking a trade accordingly. And look at the bottom, momentum was bullish. In 4-hour also, price nicely broken and nicely hit later on this profit target. Let me share with you the 4-hour chart, what exactly I mean to you guys. You can see the price nicely even hit the profit target. The price was at this level. So we said if the price gonna break, pull back. As you can see, price nicely broken and pulled back. Long trade on euro yen. Pound Swiss franc pretty straightforward. Breakout short trade. Pound dollar, beautiful triangle and pull back long trade. Nicely, beautiful trade. Euro USD, again, we were watching in 4 hour as mentioned on the analysis. We have this, you can see here, price nicely, beautiful. You can see respected based on the momentum. Pull back, long, pull back, long, pull back, long, pull back, long. We announce all these trades through live audio commentary. First, we did analysis. You can see the price nicely develop pullback. Again, let me show you the 4 hour so at least you understand what exactly I'm talking. So you can see this was the breakout and pullback low. Beautiful. You can see nice rally. So that's what exactly take a maximum benefit when the price is moving in same direction. All right, so pound yen pretty straightforward triangle pattern breakout pullback long trade, pound Swiss franc short trade, and pound dollar. Again, when the price developed the sideways market, counter short trade. Pound yen, again, when the price developed, maintained the previous high. Again, you can see this was a pretty straightforward, sideways market breakout short trade. Euro USD, right? When every trader was saying, okay, we should be coming in short, I said, look at guys, look here. So I said, if breakout, target would be this level. You can see price nicely broken, nicely hit to the profit target. Beautiful long trade. Another long trade on Euro USD. Dollar Swiss franc. That was a beautiful trade. As you can see, price broken, and we were expecting a long because we're watching in 4 hour. So price might going to respect. I said, look guys, look at the bottom. We should be trading what we see it, not what we think. As mentioned on the analysis, first priority would be the pullback short. Price broken, pullback short, based on the momentum, another pullback. Beautiful. As always mentioned, our last target will be the red fib channel. Beautiful short trade on dollar Swiss franc. All right, guys, that's it. And if you would like to see all that trade in analysis in real time with the live audio commentary support, all the trade updates in real time, and even if you don't have the Forex trading experience, we also provide Forex coaching and training. Or even if you are struggling, most welcome. Join our platform and see all that analysis and the trade updates in real time and develop your trading skill in real time trading environment. Or even if you are experienced trader, I'm damn sure you're gonna love to make all that profit every single day. So most welcome to join our fast growing trading community. Once again, thank you for watching this video and have a nice evening. I'll see you tomorrow with another analysis. All the best.